Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. Welcome back to our Lenovo Yoga 514 IKB battery replacement series. In this part, we will continue from where we left off, focusing on the detailed steps to replace the battery. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips Zero screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for safely opening your device and preventing any static damage. Begin by turning off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, place the laptop upside down on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using the Phillips Zero screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back cover. There are typically 10 screws, so make sure to keep them organized. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Start at one corner and work your way around the edges. Be careful not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage the clips holding the cover in place. With the back cover removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the battery, which is usually a rectangular component connected to the motherboard. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using a can of compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. Now disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. Gently lift the connector using your fingers or the spudger, ensuring you don't pull on the wires. If you're unsure about any step, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always consult with us. Next, remove the screws securing the battery in place. There are usually 3 or 4 screws, depending on your model. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them for the new battery installation. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift the battery out of the compartment. Take your new compatible battery and place it in the same position as the old one. Make sure it fits snugly and aligns with the screw holes. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, ensuring it's securely attached. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this task, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your laptop repaired without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution. Now secure the new battery with the screws you previously removed. Once the battery is in place, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, replace the screws on the back cover, ensuring they are tightened properly but not overly tight, as this could damage the casing. Once all screws are in place, turn your laptop right side up and connect it to the power source. Power on your Lenovo Yoga 530-14 IKB and check if the new battery is recognized. You can do this by going to the battery settings in your operating system. If everything is working correctly, congratulations, you've successfully replaced your battery. If you need further assistance or a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help you with all your laptop needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.